Searching for the best portable induction cooktop and everything looks the same? Same power, same glass top, same fast heating claims. But the real difference isn't in the pictures, it's in the details most brands don't talk about. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 that actually deliver. Product number 1, Cooktop Silver 9600 LS. The Cooktop Silver 9600 LS, a sleek, no-nonsense induction cooktop that caught my eye with its solid build and professional look. At $116.99, it's positioned as a premium option, and with over 1,000 sold last month, it's clearly popular. If you want reliable performance with smart safety features, this is worth a serious look. This cooktop runs on a standard 120-volt outlet, so no special wiring needed. The 1,800 watts delivers serious heat, perfect for searing, boiling, or simmering. What really stands out is the 20 preset power and temperature levels, giving you fine control from a gentle 100-degree Fahrenheit warm to a blazing 460 degrees Fahrenheit. The LCD touch panel is responsive, and the child lock, auto shutoff, and 10-hour timer make it safe for busy households. It even has a keep warm function that holds food at 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for dinner parties. Now, some people complained about a high-pitched noise when using certain pans. Here's the thing though, that's not the cooktop's fault. It's caused by layered cookware vibrating at high frequencies. Use solid-bottom magnetic pans and the sound disappears. This is perfect for you if you want restaurant-level control at home or in a dorm. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. It's not the cheapest, but the build quality justifies the price.
Product number 2, NewWave Flex Precision. If the Cooktop's higher price bothered you, the NewWave Flex Precision offers serious value at just $89.99. It's compact, lightweight, and packed with smart features. If you want precise temperature control without overpaying, this one's a standout. The 45 preset temperatures from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in 10-degree steps let you cook everything from melting chocolate to grilling steaks with real sear. The 6.5-inch heating coil and patented insulation bring the heat closer to your pan, so food cooks faster and more evenly. No hot spots, no guesswork. The shatterproof ceramic glass is a big plus. It survived my accidental drop test. Don't try that at home. And the on-the-fly adjustment means you can tweak time or temp mid-cook without resetting. Now, some users said the manual controls feel less intuitive than touch panels. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the physical buttons are actually more reliable, especially with wet fingers. This is perfect for you if you cook a variety of dishes and need fine-tuned heat. Skip this one if you hate reading manuals. It takes a minute to learn, but it's worth it.
Product number 3, Cooktop Black 9610 LS. That was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for home cooks, the Cooktop Black 9610 LS. It's nearly identical to the silver model, but in a sleek black finish, and it's just as powerful at $116.99. If you want the same performance with a more modern look, this is the one. It shares the same 1,800 watt output, 20 power and temp settings, and safety features like auto pan detection and child lock. The digital timer goes up to 10 hours, and the 5-foot cord gives you flexibility in tight spaces. What I love is the fast boil button. It kicks in max power instantly, then lets you dial it back. Great for pasta or soups. Now, some buyers mention the surface gets hot around the edges after long use. Here's the thing though, that's normal with any induction cooktop. Just avoid touching the glass near the pan and let it cool before cleaning. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, full-featured cooktop for daily use. Skip this one if you only need occasional heating. It's built for serious cooking.
Product number 4, Cooktop 9100 MC. If you liked the Cooktop brand but want something more budget-friendly, the Cooktop 9100 MC drops the price to $84.99 while keeping core features. It's a little bulkier but still packs 1,800 watts and the same 20-level control. If you want Cooktop reliability without the premium price, this is a smart pick. The large display screen is easy to read, and the oversized glass surface makes wiping spills a breeze. It's ETL listed, so it meets North American safety standards. No worries there. The auto shutoff kicks in after 60 seconds if no pan is detected, which is great for peace of mind. Now, some users said the buttons aren't as responsive as touch panels. Here's the thing though, they're still functional, and the trade-off is better durability over time.
This is perfect for you if you're a student, renter, or just starting out. Skip this one if you want the slickest interface. It's practical, not flashy.
Product number 5. AMZ Chef 1800 Watt. The AMZ Chef 1800 Watt, the most affordable on this list, at just $54.99. Don't let the price fool you. It's surprisingly capable. If you want solid performance on a tight budget, this one delivers. It has 20 power and temp levels, a 6.8-inch heating coil, and 4 preset modes for boiling, hot pot, stew, and warming. The touchscreen is responsive, and the safety lock prevents accidental changes. At only 5.5 pounds and 1.7 inches thick, it's one of the most portable options here. Now, some buyers said it struggles with very small pans under 4 inches. Here's the thing though, that's a common induction limitation. Just use pans between 4 and 10 inches and it works flawlessly. This is perfect for you if you need a backup burner for camping, office lunches, or small apartments. Skip this one if you're cooking large meals regularly. It's best for light to moderate use.
So, which one should you get? The Cooktop Silver or Black models are best for serious cooks who want full control. The New Wave Flex is ideal if you need precision without the premium price. The Cooktop 9100 MC offers great value for everyday use, and the AMZ CH is the winner for budget buyers. Each has its strength. Pick the one that fits your kitchen, your wallet, and your cooking style.